Guys, it only took 53 days, but our shoes are not the last ones today. And it's not for lack of trying because it is 9:30. We are leisurely heading down to breakfast because it is nice and cold today. So there is no rush.
Good morning, musketeers, mouseketeers.
Hello, ducklings.
Hi.
It is day 53. It's a rainy one, but I'll take it. I'll take anything but the sunshine.
Yeah, it's actually a nice temperature today.
We get to Santiago the day after tomorrow. It's really happening.
Can't believe it.
It's really happening. We're doing a short 13K day to somewhere, Brea. And a lot of slow strollers this morning. We were not alone in the albergue.
Hey, man.
And I think everybody is recovering from that heat and just looking forward to a leisurely day.
It's raining.
Not needing to race the sun.
Yeah.
You know, there's no rush.
I got a new poncho.
Oh, yeah.
Meow.
That's what I was going to say.
Look at that.
So, pro tip, they have these like Asian markets that somehow
That's
manage to
racist.
fit, that's what they are. They somehow manage to fit every single thing you could ever need in life into one store. It's magic.
Yeah.
And the ponchos, they are like $3. You go to a Pilgrim shop, the same poncho is 40.
They rip you off, dog.
Forget the Pilgrim shop. Find all the little Asian markets in all the cities. They have
Now they're little
everything.
Asians. Wow.
Goodbye. It's a misty one.
Here comes the duck, little darling. Here comes the duck, and I say,
Quack, quack.
"This would be a nice place to pitch a tent," said Reese for the 9 millionth time on the Camino.
Stretch it real good. Yeah.
All right, so here's my Shark Tank pitch. I want to invent a cup at the top. Screw it on. It's battery powered, and it sucks the moisture out of the air and fills your cup, so you're never without water.
That's a cute idea, but you would get like 3 drops of water a day.
No, this is guaranteed to get a full cup.
How can you guarantee that?
No, I just say full guaranteed full cup every time.
But you don't know how humid it's going to be where people are hiking.
I think it's a pretty great idea. Who wants to buy it?
All right. I see your cup idea, and I raise you a cup with a lid that you screw on that's magic. And every time you close the lid, you open it, and it's full of water.
That's ridiculous.
I think it would work just as effectively.
That's not science. That's hoopla.
I don't think yours is based in science either.
Of course it is. Humidity, you know? That's scientific.
No. We could call mine the abracadabra cup. Water cadabra.
Wabracadabra?
Abracadabra.
No, abracadabra.
Another Tyson Bakes recommendation.
This place is cool. Let's go inside.
Let's go inside and let's get a bevy.
When you order a beer here, they give you a marker to write on the bottle and add to the drink.
Put it over there somewhere. Serena always has the best ideas. Always the best ideas. Kind of makes me want to make our own beer.
Look at this artistic ability I have, guys. Did you know I had it in me?
I do. Now I'm intimidated.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good. We might have to produce our own beer. My inner artiste is really coming out in this bar. I like it. I'm really enjoying myself. We've been here for hours. Every surface is covered in these decorated bottles. I like it. We're going to steal it for Jose O'Malley's. Thank you to this bar for the idea. This one's going to go right by the door when you walk in.
Ooh, perfect. Look at that.
So this is our albergue in Brea. It is the family home of the guy who runs it. He grew up coming here for the summers. And now he's running an albergue here, and there's a little living room. And here is the bedroom. We just ordered some takeout and ate pasta outside. And here is our room. That's my bed.